So I absolutely loved it. Intruder. Thank you. Hi guys, Delana B here. Yes, you have seen this outfit. Yes, it is a 2-in-1 type video. This foundation routine has been, well, first of all, welcome back to my channel. Now, let me get into the nitty gritty of everything. Don't mind this on my lips. That's just some foundation with the moisturizer that I put on my lips. Don't mind it. Ignore it. We're going to zoom in a minute. But the foundation that you see here is already been recorded. This is the new Juvias Place foundation. So if you have not seen that video, go ahead and check it out. It is live, so go ahead and check that out if you have not seen it. And yeah, so let's talk about what this video is about. So this video is about the new Juvias Place Nubian 3 Coral palette. Now I know I am behind the curve with this palette, but I wanted to film the eye look with the foundation just to kind of do a whole little Juvias Place spill or whatever the case may be. But my Juvias Place didn't come in on time. Not my foundation and stuff didn't come in on time. Now this palette came in a while ago, but again, I thought I was going to get them around the same time, but I didn't. Also, I was a little lazy, so not even gonna lie. Now, as I stated, this palette did come out a while ago. I'm not really sure when it came out, but I wanted to get my hands on it because I support Juvias Place 100%. Anything they come out with, I pick it up. As I stated in my last Juvias Place video, I think I own everything Juvias Place has ever released except for maybe 2 products probably. It's not a lot that I don't have from that collection. I mean, from that line. However, like I said, I did get my hands on the Juvias Place Nubian Coral palette, and this is what it looks like. Very pretty, very new, very Juvias Place. And so we are going to do some swatches. We're going to do a look, a demo. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're interested in the new Juvias Place Nubian 3 palette, then keep on watching. Alright, so we are opening this up for the first time together. This palette consists of 12 different shadows. I do not remember how much it retailed for. I will have all of the information down in the description box below. But these are the colors that you see here. There are some shimmer shades as well as some mattes. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers, 6 mattes. And so, yeah, it's coral for the most part. As you can see, there's like a coral color scheme with the colors. There's a couple of darks in here. I'm assuming for a transition shade or like a crease shade. Not a transition shade, but a crease shade to kind of deepen up that eye look if you wanted to do something like that. If you wanted to do like a smoky eye, which I think I'm going to do today. But, yeah, let's just go ahead and start with the look. I'm not exactly sure what kind of look that I want to go with today. We are just going to wing it. I think I do want to go with like a smoky. I haven't done a smoky eye in a while, so let's go ahead and zoom in. Can you guys see? You all right with me? All right. For the first shade, I am going to go in with none other than this shade here down at the bottom corner. So I'm going to use that as my transition shade, and I'm going to use my Morphe M504 brush to blend this out. Well, first we need to prime our eyes, right? Can't do a look without priming your eyes. So I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape to go ahead. You know what? No, I'm not. Because I want to see how this Juvias Place is going to act. So I'm going to use a little bit of, what's the wrong one? My Juvias Place concealer. So like I said, I'm going to go in with that coral color. But yeah, if you guys hear that clickety clack noise, I apologize. My camera settings got off, so I'm using the automatic feature or whatever. So I apologize. So now we are going to go into this darker shade. And I am going to use my Sigma E25 blending brush, and we're going to go into this brown shade here. And on camera it looks a little bit burgundy, but it's actually a brown shade. And I'm just going to put that right in my crease. And I'm using the E25 tapered blending brush, not tapered, but just a blending brush so I can get it right where I want it to go. So I'm actually going to place it first, and then I'm going to blend it. So I'm actually going to go in with another E25 blending brush, and it's clean. It's just an older brush, and I'm just going to blend out that color that I just placed down. These colors blend so beautifully. Oh my gosh. And I know I keep saying that, but they do. Ooh. Look at that. Can you guys see that? So now I'm trying to figure out if I want to do a cut crease or not, because I'm going to go in with both of these shades, with these two. Let's see. With these two here. So I'm going to lay this one down first, and I'm going to lay this in the middle of that color. I don't think that I'm going to use a base. I think I'm just going to carve it out and see what I come up with. And I'm using a, I don't know what kind of brush this is. I think this might be, I'm not sure. But y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And I'm just going to kind of carve this out without cutting the crease or anything like that. I'm just going to simply carve it out. That's it. Oh, this is beautiful. Now I'm going to go back into the palette, and I'm going to go back into that chocolate color, and I'm just going to put that in my outer V area because I don't want this too smoky. So what I'm going to do is, I mean, I want a smoky eye, but I don't want it too smoky. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to be able to say you can wear this at work, and then you can go out on a night on the town. A night on the town. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that color, and I'm just going to use the other two colors as well and mix those together and kind of just do that and just keep going back and forth because they kind of muted that brown out a little bit. So I'm just going to go back into it. And then using that same brush with the other colors, I'm going to blend it over just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm just going to do a little bit of a wing liner. Got my liner. I'm just going to pop on my Demi Wispy one-on-one lashes, and then I'm going to come back with everything done and then give you guys my final review on this new Juvias Place Nubian 3 Coral Palette, okay? I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, so this is the final eye look using this Nubian Coral Juvias Place palette. I absolutely love the palette. I do. As you guys know, I love anything Juvias Place. I mean, they really have not gone wrong thus far for me personally. Absolutely love the colors in the palette. Love the way that they blend. They blend it out beautifully. Oh my gosh. They were like butter, like I said in my video. They remind me of the ColourPop when ColourPop first released and they were doing their shadows and stuff. Like the feel of it, the touch of it, the blending of it, it's great. I had no problems with the blending. There was a little bit of fallout, but of course when you're using shades that has like glitter in them, there's going to be some fallout, but it wasn't much at all. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this Nubian 3 palette by Juvias Place, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. If you guys have not seen the video on what I think about the Juvias Place foundation, I Am Magic foundation and concealers, go ahead and check out that video. It will be scrolling somewhere. That video was posted a little bit earlier in the week. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you are not following me on social media, you can follow me at dalanab_ on Instagram as well as on Facebook. I am not on the Twitter, not my thing. But in the meantime, in between time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.